Evergreens, we have a math problem and we need your help. This is my dog Dunk. Dunk can jump really, really high. In this problem, we are given a formula for the height of Dunk's jump h in terms of his speed when he leaves the ground, s. We are asked to rewrite this expression for s in terms of h. When I say go, turn and talk with a partner for 25 seconds. What does it mean to rewrite this equation for s in terms of h? Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. Remember, solving for s in terms of h means our new equation should have s equals, and there should be an h somewhere on the other side of our equation. When manipulating equations with variables, we treat them just like we would numbers. We have to use inverse operations to move them from one side to the other. When I say go, take 45 silent solo seconds to solve this equation for s in terms of h. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. We started with this equation, h equals 1/2 pi s squared. Now I know I need to move this 1/2 and pi to the other side to get s by itself. To move the 1/2 to the other side, I multiply both sides of this equation by 2. And I get 2h equals pi s squared, because 1/2 times 2 will give me 1. Now I need to divide both sides by pi, and we get 2h divided by pi is equal to s squared. Finally, I take the square root of both sides. At this point, I know that s is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2h divided by pi. When solving for s in this case, I came up with two different possibilities. S equals the positive square root of 2h divided by pi, or s equals the negative square root of 2h divided by pi. When I say go, turn and talk with your partner for 20 seconds. Which one is correct and why? Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. In this case, the correct answer is number 1. We know that Dunk's speed leaving the ground has to be positive. His speed cannot be negative, so we can reject this second possibility. Thanks, Evergreens. I knew we could count on you. You ready, Dunk? Go get it.